our day 3 na here in Albay, and it's June 4, 2026, and it's already 5:59 a.m. exactly 6 a.m. yung call time namin. Masyadong maaga, but it's okay para maraming very productive. So ngayon, agad-agad andito na tayo sa first stop natin, which is the Grotto. And we're here now. Naghanap na lang maparkingan kasi kailangan naman mag-picture. So, let's go. Let's have a picture na. I'm so excited. And guys, dito na yung Grotto. And then, this is the Mount Mayon. So, it's really magnificent. My God, look at that. It's picture perfect background. Guys, I love Pawa. I don't know. I think pwede mag-jogging dito, guys. Kasi maraming nag-jogging. And this is the Grotto. Ayan. Alright, so saglit na kami dito, guys. Kasi wala namang masyadong ganap. Yun lang background. So, drone lang muna kami ng mga few shots, and then let's head to the next destination.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
And guys, nandito na tayo sa Kagsawa. Okay. Ayun, may ATV offer na pack. Yung talaga siya marami na guys, nag-offer ng yung parang sa Boracay na tour kayo, ma'am. Island hopping, ma'am. Paraw sailing, ma'am.
Helmet diving.
Helmet diving, ma'am. Parang
Ay, sorry po.
Oo, wala nga masyadong wala masyadong Alright, so we're here na sa next destination natin. Sa Kagsawa, miss, no? Sa ATV ride. Somewhere in
gamit ko, ilagay ko
Kagsawa.
na lang sa likod, no?
Let's go!
Para safe.
Hey po.
Ma'am, ATV ride!
ATV ride sa'yo, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning. 50% off, ma'am. Grassland, ma'am. 60% off po.
Ang dahil drone.
500 kami na ilig na.
Ini ma'am?
500 baka pwede.
Pwede yan ma'am? Pwede po.
Sige naman, pwede na yan.
500
Opo.
Magkano yung kuya? Ano yung inclusions na 500?
Guide, photographer, helmet, hairnet, kasama na po.
May pa-drone ba?
Ma'am, yung
Ma'am,
drone
magbabayad po kayo, ma'am.
Magkano yung drone?
Yung maliit is 1.2, yung malaki is 2K.
1-2?
1.2.
Drone shot?
Oh, yes.
Dahil na lang yung drone love.
May drone naman po ata kay Pete.
Yes.
allowed na.
Yes.
Oh yes po.
Yun lang, lang kasi kami baka mas...
Apo. Dito na lang po.
Ano yung ATV, malaki ba?
Yes po, may malaki, may maliit. Kasi yung
Okay.
malaki pang dalawa.
Tayo ko na kayo ma'am dito.
Pang dalawa ka lang.
Tagsa to eh.
Para perfect.
Dito yung guys, dito yung parking lot kung saan kayo mag avail ng ATV ride.
Ay, yun yung gamit mo ni. Better keep to your phone.
This is the headquarters, guys. Charot.
Ito ma'am yung yung start natin. Tapos, yung available natin sa Grassland, si Kagsawa, tsaka yung isa pa, yung round trail kasi bawal dito sa taas. So may option tayo na round trail. Siya yung pinaka-the best trail sa ngayon kasi bawal nga sa taas.
Bawal nga, oo.
Gumawa na lang kami ng trail dito sa baba. Pero ano siya, malayo din siya. Halos
Ilang minutes po?
mga 1.5 hour. Pero depende sa pag-drive nyo. Gaya yung dalawa, baka kaya nyo yan ng ano lang, 1 hour.
Ito po. Ito yung trail map niyang bago.
Yes po. Tapos yung price niya mamaya.
Yung grassland, binigay po sa inyo ng 500. Ito naman, kaya yung isagad sa inyo ng 800 pesos.
Yes po.
Kasi kaya natin i-less than 20%. Ito naman, kaya i-less naman sa inyo ng tago 1.5.
Okay.
Yan yung pinaka-the best trail ngayon. Kasi mga ganito yung mga dadaanan nyo yun.
Halos passing river. Puro long river yung papalik
Pero,
nyo.
pero yung tubig niya is mababaw lang. Halos ano lang ng ATV. Kaya kaya
Okay.
hindi kayo.
Ayun guys, so may paano kami pa hairnet para clean. And tapos na kami sa registration and kinuha namin yung Kagsawa Trail na lang kasi nag-discount sila ng addition from 500 na grass trail, nag-add ng 150 na lang per packs para magiging Kagsawa Trail. Though I'm concerned kasi hindi nagpakita si Mount Mayon at 7:38. So I want the background ng Mount Mayon but I'm not sure if magpapakita siya, but let's go. So we paid 1,300 for 2 packs for the Kagsawa Trail. Let's go. Where's the itaon sa ako abi. Ano namang hairnet?
Good morning po. So welcome to our company, Off-Road Trail Adventure Park. Ako po si John Luke. So ako po yung makakasama niyo po along the trail po. So bali po yung napili niyo pong trail is Kagsawa Trail. So estimated traveling time is 45 minutes to 1 hour back and forth. Pero nakadepende pa rin po yun sa driving skill po.
Okay.
So kung mabilis po kayo, so mabilis tayo makakarating sa ating trail din, mabilis din po tayo dito makakabalik. Kung mabagal naman po tayo, sumobra po tayo sa oras, so wala naman po siyang problema. Wala po kayo doon additional na babayaran. Kasi ang pinuntahan nyo po dito is point of destination po.
Okay.
So bali po, ang mahalaga lang naman po kasi safe tayo pupunta sa ating trail, then safe po tayo dito babalik. So magbibigay po ako dyan na hand signal po. So kapag nakita nyo po ito, it means one lane, slow down, stop, and then go po. Again po, one lane, slow down, stop, and go. Kung magkaroon man po ng aberya sa ATV nyo po, so no need na po kayo sumigaw. Taas lang po kayo ng kamay, din signal lang po kayo na ganito.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
And guys, picture sila guys.
Hi sir. Hi Sir John Luke. Thank you po. Hi.
Instructor namin, oh, gwapo guys. Hi muna kay kuya. Thank you kuya.
Thank you, boy.
And guys, try natin puntahan yung trail. Ayan. Wow! Look at that one, guys. Kuya! Pwede ba dito? Or malalim? Ayan, guys. Yun yung Mount Mayon. Medyo maulap siya. Wow! Clean talaga siya, guys. Wow! Wow! So, sabi ni Kuya, malinis daw to dito. I want to do a tampisaw, but parang natatakot ako sa agos eh. Ayan. Let's go na.
Ay, may mga level pala to.
Yes po.
Level 3 is the high, is the maangas.
Yun,
Level
may,
5
may ano yun, wala. Ito lang siya.
Opo, ito lang po. Ito po selecta. Ang yung level 3 niya is 1 to 5 based po sa spiciness.
Yung 5 is very spicy.
Yes.
Okay, ano ba? Try ba natin?
I'll try the level 2.
I'll try the level 2. Ano yung pinakamasarap
Sa
na
level 2 po, may vanilla tsaka buko pandan.
buko pandan na lang?
Vanilla sa akin.
Okay guys. So kakatapos na namin ng tour, ng ATV ride, and andito agad kami sa
Picture lang. Level 1 to...
sa
Picture lang ka.
chili ice cream. Let's try.
In level
50
3.
pesos siya guys. I'm just curious. Hindi ako mahilig sa maanghang ngayon. Dati mahilig ako pero ngayon hindi na kasi I'm getting aging. Charot.
Mango ice cream na chili ice cream. Level 2.
Level 3?
3.
Level ko pa lang sa akin. Ano na?
Ay,
Bakit mo titikman ni level 2 lang?
tayo lang. I'm good. Okay na ako. Kaya tulad kayo. Ay,
Guys.
saga. Ay, maagi yan sa lang. I think pancit ba ito paggawa ni Butch?
Ito lang yung sir.
Hi guys, so pupunta na tayo dun sa Cagsawar Ruins. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. So, bayad na muna tayo ng entrance. Ito yung souvenir shop. Cash payment. pay online for your Kagsawa ticket. So they accept online payments. Medyo mainit lang, no? How was the experience sa ATV?
It was fun. Though,
I would rate it
though it's not my first
8
time,
over
but
10
that's
kasi,
why it was good.
you know, I'm not really that kind of traveler ako, pero I'm not into that kind of harsh adventure. I'm into beaches, rivers, ano pa ba, spring, falls, and zip line, but no ATV. I'm not that really a fan.
45 inch po, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, tanong lang, pwede ba mag-drone dito?
Ay,
Pwede
hindi
mo.
po. Kasi po, baka maano ng hangin, matamaan yung mga guests natin.
So bawal. Okay. So yung nakikita ko sa sa online, siya, registered tourism purpose lang na drone.
Opo.
So, wala kayong dito, like in-house na drone operator?
Wala po.
Picture lang
Oo.
talaga siya.
Pinagbabawal na po kasi.
Pero
Ay,
dati
may business
meron. May incident ba na natamaan siya?
Pag hinangin po, yung airplane po, baka...
Malapit din pa dito?
Kasi yung DIA po, malapit yung airport.
Oh, so, okay. So guys, for the information of everybody, so, bawal mag-drone.
Mas ma'am, meron din po tayong museum dyan.
Okay.
Free admission po. Doon po, ma'am, sa Mangga pababa po. Doon po ang entrance.
Okay, sige.
Balik kayong dalawa, ma'am, is
Let's
45 each, 90 pesos.
Let's pay na.
Sige, sige. So, 45 pesos ang entrance, guys. Sayang, bawal yung drone. Pero, yeah, it makes sense. I understand. Yan.
Pa-stamp na lang po. Para
Okay.
pag lalabas, babalik kayo. Eto na lang po i-present.
BFAD approved. Thank you.
Tag niyo po si Babot.
Grabe siya.
So, ayun guys, ito yung tourist assistance desk. And, akala ko talaga pwede mag-drone, pero yeah, sometimes we cannot bend the law. Charot. We should follow the rules. Anyway, nakapag-drone na naman tayo dun sa sa ATV. So, buti nakadala ako ng sunscreen. Ayan. So, si Haring Mayon, hindi nagpapakita. Yung tuktok niya, hindi masyadong kita. Ayan.
Ito sa tanay, nagawa na kayo.
Iba talaga yung feeling, guys, no? Yung parang nakikita mo lang siya sa postcard, nakikita mo lang siya sa pera, yung mayon, nakikita mo lang siya online or dati sa mga libro. Pero 2026, at the age of 30 plus, I'm already here in person live via satellite. Nakita ko na personally yung Kagsawa ruins, guys. So, it's really a fulfilling moment and feelings na maka face to face si Kagsawa ruins. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Papa G, for this opportunity and for this chance. So amazing. Mamaya magpipicture-picture tayo dito pag wala na masyadong tao. Ayan guys, so mamaya magpicture tayo. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Share, comment, like, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for tuning in.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town, the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes.
Tour ko muna kayo guys sa Kagsawa Ruins. Tapos ako na yung mag-picture-picture. Punta tayo dun guys. Masyadong mainit na. I think it's 9:47 a.m. and so may mga fish feeding. Yun yung flower. Hindi na ako papasok kasi may another entrance na 25 pesos, but I think okay na ako dito. Alright, so let's go na sa next destination natin. Pupunta tayo doon. Ay, ako pa Bisaya talaga. Pupunta tayo doon sa doon sa harap, sa across here is the Butterfly Sanctuary. So ito yung mga different kind of rocks. Lava rocks ba to? Dito tayo sa Butterfly Garden. What's Butterfly Re-Wing Station? Hello po.
Hi po, sir. Registered na lang po.
Registration
Sino po
daw.
yung nag-register sa loob po? Hindi pa kami pumunta doon sa loob.
Wow. Wow, this is the Butterfly Garden. Ay! Look at this one. Ang daming butterfly. If you can see sa camera, guys, ang daming small black butterflies. So, they're not afraid. Wow. Hi, butterfly! Guys, if you can see, may mga butterflies talaga. Wow. Ano yan? Ano yan, love?
Mango.
Wow. Okay. Tapos masusurprise ka kasi yung isa sa mga butterfly sabi niya, "No video recording please. Privacy." Charot. Joke lang. Mga mababait yung butterfly dito, guys. Wow. Yan. So, they're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You know what, guys? Madalas na lang, hindi ako parang always nakakakita ng butterfly na ganito karami. Last butterfly na napuntahan ko, Butterfly Sanctuary, was in Bohol years ago. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya. Wow. Nasaan ba?
Green butterfly.
Ah. Ay, no.
Hindi naman yan nakakaan.
Ito yan ma'am, yung lipad na dilaw na yan. Yan,
Walang buto.
Saan?
po yan.
Ayan yung nanay niya.
Dilaw. Okay. Wow.
Ito naman sa talbos ng kamote, yung Greek eggplant na butterfly. Ito.
Ah. So pag mga ganyan, hindi yan tilas.
Hindi po. Iba
Bakit?
yung higad.
Higad.
Malaki po yun.
What's the difference sa sa higad at saka
Mot po ang higad.
ano? Mot.
Ito ano to? Butterfly po to?
Yes. Ayan po, gumagala yung nanay.
Saan po?
Bibitawan lang siya naman. Pero ito na.
Ah, sir, balik ko na sir, baka maano mahulog po.
Ayan. Ayan na yung nanay.
Ah.
Bumabalik na yun.
Asan ba? Ah, that's a mother.
10:05.
Baka mahulog.
Ay, mahulog siya.
Ito na, pinaka-4 inches.
Ah.
Nampisa na siya.
Paano yun sir? Nililipat niyo sir?
Papalipad din ko na yan.
Doon sa ano?
Bali,
Okay.
nilipat niyo sila dito? Tapos
Hindi, dyan ah.
dyan lang
Sila?
sila?
Ko lang ilinagay kasi dapat kulambuan natin siya. Yung pupa kaya niya. Bawal siya madapuan ng mga insekto.
Ah, okay.
Kaya
Buntis yan sila.
Nampisa lang yan.
Bagong pisa. Okay.
Mga ilang weeks lang sir?
Ilang
Pag nagpisa na siya, 10 buwan ng buhay niya.
Isang buwan?
Oh, yung butterfly 1 month lang ba?
Oo, ano?
Tapos yung iba, ito, 7 days lang ang buhay nito.
Ah.
7 days? Sana mamamatay na
Yung
sila.
Greek eggplant. Yan. Madali lang buhay niya. Pag nakapangitlog na po yung babae, mamamatay na po siya. Tapos yung lalaki naman, pag wala na siyang mamit, ganun din.
Paano ba mamamatay sila? Like, they turn to brown or?
Kahit anong...
Mahulog lang sila.
Okay.
Pusa na lang siyang...
Ay, so sad, no? So sad. Parang ano na siya, isang linggong pag-ibig.
May iba yung
Oo.